Well, hello again mga ka-beauties! Welcome back, and today's feature is all about the Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser from the Face Shop. So, eto siya guys. Yan. I've been using this for already 5 months. Yan. Ang laki niya. Nung unang dineliver to, akala ko body lotion. So, dinoble check ko, it's a foaming cleanser for the face. Yes guys, almost 5 months ko na siyang ginagamit, pero ngayon lang ako makapagbigay ng review kasi napabusy sa work. So, I've been wanting to make a product review nung first month of use, kaya lang wala talaga akong oras mag-film and then mag-edit pa. So, ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng time. So, here it is. Mga ka-beauty, so as you can see, the cleanser comes in this 300 ml sturdy plastic squeeze tube protected by a foil seal. Obviously guys, this product is not conducive for travel. Sobrang laki niya. And kung gusto nyo magdala ng product na to when you travel, kailangan nyong i-transfer sa mas maliit na container. So, basahin ko lang guys yung nakasulat dito sa likod nun. Halos lahat ng nakasulat dito is in Korean, pero meron siyang English. I'll read it out for you guys. It says here, the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. Foaming cleanser with rice extract gently moisturizes skin with its rich, dense foam. Brightening deep foaming cleanser effectively cleanses away makeup as the whipped cream texture gently envelopes the skin. Formulated with natural cleansing agents including rice extract and soapworth extract, it leaves the skin looking clear and bright. Ang ganda ng claims niya. This cleansing foam is pearly white, thick and creamy ang kanyang texture. Napaka-foamy ng cleanser na ito. Kahit pea-size amount lang, it is enough for the whole face and neck. And the lather, it is so soft and luxurious. At ang ganda ng feeling habang minamassage sa skin. I love using this cleanser with my Foreo Luna Mini 2. Immediately, makikita mo agad yung brightening effects niya. Nakaka-glow ng face pero hindi siya nakakatulong sa pag-alis or pag-lighten ng pimple marks or dark spots. So here's what I think guys. Yes, it cleanses well, it removes makeup and sunscreen, pero I probably not repurchase it again because I'm on the lookout for better and newer products that could help my skin na nakakatulong sa pag-lighten or pag-diminish ng pimple marks kasi yun talaga yung problema ng aking skin. Will I recommend this? Yes guys, I will still recommend this para sa mga budget-conscious beauty lovers natin dyan, na kagaya ko. Well, with this 300 ml, a little bit goes a long way. So, abot to ng siguro 7 to 8 months bago maubos yung isang tube na to. Mga ka-beauties, may re-recommend ko din ito sa mga oily skin type. But hindi ito pwede sa mga dry skin kasi it can be drying sa skin.
Thank you for watching.